how to manage who can see your about on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your about on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find let's go back first, and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click privacy, and now click this one about, and as you see here you can manage who can see your about. You can make it for your contacts or nobody. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.